In this video, we will show you how to change the output voltage in an SRT unit. For this example, I will be using an SRT 5K RM XLT. The first thing that you need to do is to make sure that you have the advanced menu on the screen. To do that, you press the escape button to go to the main menu, go to configuration and press enter. Go to display, press enter, and scroll down to the option that says menu type. If you have the standard menu type, you need to change that to advanced. After that, press escape to go back to the main menu, and you will see the control menu. Press enter on the control menu, go to the UPS option, and you will need to turn off the output first. So select turn off immediately and press OK. Now that you have turned off the output voltage, you can change the configuration on the menu. Press escape button to go to the main menu, go to configuration, UPS, scroll down to output settings, and select your desired voltage. You will have two options, 208 volts or 240 volts. Press OK. And now you can turn back on the output voltage on the UPS. Go to the control menu, select UPS, and select turn on immediately. And that's how you change the output voltage settings in an SRT unit.